Berbu learns to wait. One day, the courier man came to Berbu's home with a package. This is a gift for you from your uncle, Mama said. Berbu was excited and tried to open the package himself. Wait, I will bring the scissors. Mama went inside. Berbu could not wait. I can open it myself. Mama will take too long, he thought. Berbu tore the package hastily. Reap! Inside was a coloring book, but the cover and some pages got torn. Mama came in and saw the damaged book. Oh no! See what happened? Because you did not wait, said Mama. Berbu lowered his head and hugged Mama. I am sorry. Next time I will wait. That's my good boy. Patience keeps our things safe. Mama consoled him. Thank you,